earlier this summer, Mr. Chris Gagma from Outfitters, and we were talking about Alaska. I told him I've never been to Alaska, but if I was to go, and when I go, this is the trip I would really like to.
Since we can't all be talking up here, I'm just going to do a voiceover. I've really been wanting to show you guys some of my favorite makeup products that I've been using over this summer. I've tried a few different tinted sunscreens or different things like that, but this one is just my all-time favorite. I love it. It doesn't give a lot of coverage, but I actually do really love the coverage that it does give. It just looks really pretty and natural for the summertime. I've been using another tinted sunscreen from this brand. The bottle is just a little bit different and I like both of them. This concealer is just my all-time favorite, especially for my under eyes. I am getting a lot more wrinkles and just some fine lines, and this one just seems to be the best with the fine lines and wrinkles and the coverage and all the good things. I have talked about a few others that I really like and I kind of just alternate between them, but this one is just quick and easy to apply and it blends out so beautifully. And you can see where I put it, just some under my eyes. And then for a little extra coverage, I do like to take that like down the sides of my nose, in between my eyebrows I have some redness, down the center of my nose, on my chin, and then just a little more coverage on my cheeks. I like to blend it out with my finger. Like I said, this just blends out so beautifully. I'll leave a link down below for all of the products that I'm using. Once I have it blended out using my finger, I do like to take a beauty blender and I'm just using some face spray to dampen that a little bit. And I'm just gonna make sure everything is really well blended. And I'm super dry, so I was just hoping to kind of hydrate my skin also. And I'm just taking a little of my NARS concealer to try to cover up that blemish. Lately I've been using this Hoola contour stick. This was actually just a little sample that I tried out and I really like it. So I'm just putting the contour stick everywhere where I would like to contour my face. And then I'm just using a random brush to blend everything in. Until I get to my nose, and I like to use my finger to blend this out just so I'm not wiping the product and smudging it and smearing it anywhere, because I want that contour to kind of just stay right where I put it. I'm trying to show you guys how dry my skin is. I'm also blending out the contour under my lips using my finger, and then I do go in with the brush just to kind of like smooth that out. Now I'm going to use my Hoola Bronzer just a little bit, just to kind of set the contour and maybe add a little more bronzing since it is the summertime. This is another product that I got, just like a little mini size of, that I have just recently started to use. This is from Hourglass. Before I set my under eyes with any powder, since I do have a lot of fine lines, I like to just kind of go through and try to kind of press those out so that I'm not setting any of those fine lines with my powder. And then I just take the smallest amount and lightly brush the setting powder under my eyes. My skin was pretty bad today. It's super dry. I'm just pointing that out to you also. I am also taking it down the sides of my nose. Okay, now I'm going to take the Fit Me powder in translucent and I'm going to set the rest of my face. Again, with the fine lines, wrinkles, I'm trying to kind of pull that up. I don't know if this does anything, but in my mind it does, and that's all that matters sometimes. So I'm kind of pulling my wrinkles up and then setting the rest of my face, just lightly brushing the setting powder everywhere. This is a new eyebrow product that I've just started using, and I really like it. It is a little intense. I feel like I'm still trying to get the hang of it. You can sometimes see the wax in my eyebrows, so I'm working on it. I do really like it. It works really well at holding your eyebrows exactly where you put them, and it is a product that I would recommend. My eyebrows are a little dark because I dyed them. Now I'm using my favorite blush from MAC. I've had it for a while. I don't have the lid. I have no idea where it went. And I'm just applying just the smallest amount to add a little more color. And then again, this is a really well-loved highlight that also doesn't have a lid. I love this one all the time, but especially in the summertime, I just love that golden highlight it gives. It's really subtle but beautiful. And I'm just applying that on my cheekbones and on my nose. I do like to take a beauty blender and just make sure my highlight is blended really well and isn't too intense. For my eyeliner, I'm using the Epic Ink Liner from NYX. You can see that Layla has also been using this Epic eyeliner from NYX. I'm just doing a little cat eye. I don't like to take my liner across my whole eyelid, just kind of at the corner, like the middle to corner. I'm just doing a simple little cat eye. You guys, this mascara is my all-time favorite, greatest mascara. I love it so much. I love everything about it. I love how it applies. I also love how easy it is to remove. It really does give your lashes the most amazing length, and they just look so beautiful. So I'm just applying one coat, and I always apply a second coat. My very favorite mascara ever, ever, ever. Fenty Beauty lip gloss is my very, very favorite lip gloss of all time. I think it is just the best in every single way. I have a lot of different colors. I think that this one actually came as a set, and I'm just using that to finish this look. So super quick, super easy, and that's it. I don't know if I all of a sudden feel sick because my head hurts from my pupil dilation, or you're driving.
Well, look, this person's riding my butt.
It's making me feel like car sick times a billion.
Okay, get off of my butt.
Really?
I'm literally going 6 over the speed limit.
Well, for one, don't, and it doesn't matter because everyone's going to be stopping in a second.
Yeah,
get used to it.
She's nice.
You are not. We're going to get some groceries, and I wanted to go to Hobby Lobby, but I can't remember why. I wanted to get something. I've been so much better. So, please.
Where did the lines go?
It looks like they just redid this road, so they're not here yet.
It's really confusing.
Well, there's someone in front of you.
Last time we tried to get out of the parking spot.
You've been driving a lot longer since then.
Yeah, I parked between 2 cars yesterday, and I was so proud of myself.
Don't do that in my car.
Why? That was good.
I forgot you were driving.
You can drive.
I was just wondering if you were gonna say anything. I got in, I was like, where did I put the camera? And then I was like, oh yeah, I wasn't driving.
I hate this pulling out of this parking lot.
Oh yeah, it is. It's not too busy today though. I have a runny nose. I think I have allergies this year. I showed you guys my makeup routine today. And you should definitely give the products a try. Someone at Costco said, I should have my sunglasses on, but I can't see the screen. Someone at Costco said, you two look like twins. And she said, are you guys sisters? Like, she looked at us like, you two look like twins. Like, we were going to say, oh yeah, we are. And it was like a pause.
We were both like,
and then she said, are you sisters? And I was like, no, she's my daughter. And she started laughing. And I was like, what? And then when we were leaving, the lady that was like looking at our receipt said we were both pretty. It's so nice.
So funny.
When the lady said, "Are you guys twins?" When we walked away, I was like, "Sorry that you look like you're 37, Braylee."
I just like didn't know what to say when she said that. She's like, "You guys both look like twins." I was like,
It's so funny too because my skin is really dry. I talked about that hopefully in the voiceover that I did for the makeup tutorial because I have been using some different skincare, and so I felt like my skin looked bad, but I was just like, oh well, I have to go to Costco, it doesn't matter. So it was just so funny, you know. So it just goes to show you, just go show up and do what you have to do, and you're beautiful. You're all beautiful. Anyways, I still can't remember why I was gonna go to Hobby Lobby, so we're not gonna go to Hobby Lobby. Now we're gonna go get a drink. It is freaking hot.
has your Starbucks been
93.
so good the past 2 days?
Yes.
Me too. Like usually it's not that good.
Are you trying to say you want Starbucks?
No, I was just thinking about it, and it was like I finished it before I even got home. 'Cause it
Well,
was
also
so
you were
good.
leaving the gym after working, and you're probably tired and thirsty. You should try some water. I've been trying not to drink soda, and I really love going to the soda barn, which is flavored soda, which is even worse. So I've been going to Starbucks because if I go to Starbucks and I'm like, I went to Starbucks today, I don't need to go and get a soda. That's why I've been doing that. Also, I have so many points, so I get free drinks.
Isn't
Use
chai
the app
good?
if you don't. Yeah, we get
Good
chai
for
tea.
you?
I don't know. Better
Hot
than
tea is
soda.
good for you.
Much better than soda.